Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to empty the trash on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, look at the dock at the bottom of your screen and find the trash icon on the right side. To empty it, right-click on the trash icon. Then click on Empty Trash. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Empty Trash again to confirm. And that's it. All the files in your trash are now permanently deleted. Another quick way to do this is to open the trash by clicking on it. Then click the Empty button in the top right corner of the window. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. Press Command plus Shift plus Delete, then confirm, and your trash will be emptied instantly. Just keep in mind, once you empty the trash, those files are permanently removed and can't be easily recovered. And that's all there is to it. Quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.